morning students, this is second video of first topic nutrition in plants. Today we are going to see what is photosynthesis. So what is photosynthesis? The process by which plants prepare their own food. The process by which plants prepare their own food. The process by which plants prepare their own food is called photosynthesis. Or the process by which green plants produce glucose, or the process by which green plants prepare glucose by using carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll and sunlight. By using carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll and sunlight is called as photosynthesis. The process by which plants produce glucose by using carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll and sunlight is called photosynthesis. This is about definition of photosynthesis. Now, what are the necessary things for photosynthesis? First is carbon dioxide, second is water and minerals, third is chlorophyll, and fourth is solar energy. Now see, first one carbon dioxide. Green plants taking carbon dioxide from the surrounding air. Second is water and minerals. Now how do green plants take water and minerals? Now from where green plants take water and minerals? Green plants take water and minerals from the earth. Green plants take water and minerals from the soil. How do they take? So water and minerals are absorbed by the roots. Water and minerals are absorbed by the roots by the green plants from the soil and then transported to the site of photosynthesis. Or green plants absorb water and minerals. By the root through the soil. Green plants absorb water and minerals by the roots through the soil. And these water and minerals further transported to the site of photosynthesis. Now tell me, what is site of photosynthesis? Where does photosynthesis takes place? So site of photosynthesis means the place where photosynthesis in green plants take place. In green plants, leaves are the site of photosynthesis. Now third factor is chlorophyll. What is importance of chlorophyll for green plants? The leaves of plants contain a green pigment. Called chlorophyll. Now this pigment imparts green color to the plants. This pigment, chlorophyll, gives green color to the plants. This pigment, chlorophyll, the pigment named chlorophyll, gives green color to the plants. As well as its one more important function is that it traps the solar energy. So solar energy necessary for photosynthesis is taken by chlorophyll. Chlorophyll trap the solar energy required for photosynthesis. Now next is solar energy. Solar energy also has an important role in photosynthesis in green plants. Let us study what it is. Plants use solar energy to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. Green plants use solar energy to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. This oxygen is released into water. This oxygen is released into air. What happens with the glucose? The glucose is stored in the form of starch in leaves in other parts of the plant. And the glucose is stored in the form of starch. So in photosynthesis glucose is produced. What is glucose? It is one of the form of carbohydrate. Okay. Glucose is one of the form of carbohydrate. Now this glucose is stored in the form of starch. In leaves. That is though glucose is prepared in photosynthesis, it is not stored as it is. It is not stored in the form of glucose itself, but it is converted into starch. It is converted into starch, and this glucose is converted in the form of starch in leaves. Now, this glucose is stored in the form of starch in leaves as well as other parts of the plant. So this is about the 4 things necessary for photosynthesis: carbon dioxide, water and minerals, chlorophyll, solar energy. Now, what is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll, it is the green pigment. Present in leaves. This chlorophyll pigment gives green color to plants. Chlorophyll gives green color to plants and trap the solar energy during photosynthesis. Next, pigment. Pigment is color giving material. We have seen roses are red, tomato is red. We have seen roses are red, tomato is red. This particular color is due to particular pigment. So pigment is color giving material to leaves, flowers, fruits, etc. Now next is glucose. Now in photosynthesis, food prepared is in the form of glucose. The food prepared in the photosynthesis is in the form of glucose. More accurately, glucose is one of the form of carbohydrate. And last one, starch. The food prepared in photosynthesis is not stored in the form of glucose. It is stored in the form of starch. And like glucose, starch is also one of the form of carbohydrate. Like glucose, starch is also one of the form of carbohydrate. I will repeat once again. The glucose synthesized in photosynthesis is stored in the form of starch in leaves and other parts of plants. Stop. Article